Some bathrooms look like a dream on Pinterest, but in real life, they can turn into your worst cleaning nightmare. Hi, I'm Naseema Khatun, an architect and interior designer, and I help people design homes that are not just beautiful on day one, but easy to live with for years to come. And in today's video, we are talking about bathroom design that look glamorous online, but can turn into expensive regrets later. I'll walk you through key points that will help you design a bathroom that's just not stunning but also practical in a long run. Before starting the video, I want to tell you all that we review architectural layout plan for free on our channel. So if you have any floor plan that you want us to review, you can DM us. The link is in the description. Now let's start the video. See, this is one washroom design that I picked from the internet. Let's start with the mirror design. It's actually looking amazing. Now let's see the functionality. The mirror is starting from the floor and it is going up to the top level, and this is another mirror which is having the light. Now it is not a one-day thing. You have to maintain this to make it look beautiful, and mirror is a place where water splashes can easily be visible. Now what is going to happen? At the time of the cleaning this floor, this area is going to get dirty, and every time you have to clean it. So it's a task. Whenever you're using this wash basin, water splashes are going to be here, and it is going to be another task to clean. So if you can do it, go ahead with this design. But if you can't, think again before copying it. Now another thing is using fluted tile on walls. See, these have grooves, and moisture content can easily settle in this groove. So it needs regular cleaning, and it is not going to be easy. So you have to keep this thing in mind while using these kind of tile or stone in your washroom. Next very important point, adding so many open shelves in your washroom. See, niches are very important and they are very functional, but create niches only where it is required, because these open niches will create another headache at the time of cleaning. This is another washroom design that I have taken from the internet. Now let's see this. This wash basin, so it is starting from the floor, and then you have created a counter like this and this. This is actually looking amazing. But what is going to happen? The area over here and here, it is going to collect dirt, and after some time it's going to be difficult for you to maintain it. So if you want to use a pedestal wash basin or a floor mounted wash basin, then use a wash basin which is directly sticking to the wall and not creating any corner like this or this, if you want it to be maintenance free and beautiful at the same time. These kind of 3D tiles in the washroom, they add another element and glamour in the washrooms, and undoubtedly they look beautiful. Are you ready to use these kind of tile in your washroom? Think about it, because this is going to collect dirt and it's going to be difficult for you to clean, because you can see it has a design pattern which collect dirt. This is another washroom design that I picked from the internet. Now see this wash basin design. It's looking amazing, but the detail over here is going to look awful if it is not maintained properly. So if you want to use wash basin like this, then pick something which is at the top of the counter and not creating any corner at the base like this. Create closed cabinets as much as you can, because they are easy to clean, easy to maintain. So if niches are required, go ahead with that. But if you need storage, keep it closed if it is possible. Open storage like this, they look good in the beginning, but after some time it's not functional actually. You cannot keep your towel and other stuff like this. You need to close it because you cannot maintain it all the time. Now see this design. The mosaic tiles that have been used as an accent feature on this wash basin wall. Now the grout line is white and it is very prominent. Obviously the white has been used to highlight the tile, but these white grouts, they will become black after some time, and then like I said, cleaning will be a task. So if you want to use these kind of mosaics in your washroom, go with a darker grout, because dirt won't be visible and it can be easily maintained. Using black fixtures or CP fittings in your washroom, they look amazing. It's going to need cleaning after every use, because there will be water droplets after every usage. The white are visible and you need to wipe it off to make it look beautiful. Otherwise the beautiful design that you wanted to create initially, it is going to be a failure. The similar thing goes with the gold color fittings in your washroom. Also very important thing, lighting in the wet zone. Those little niches in your shower area or near the wash basin area where water splashes can easily reach. Choose IP rated light fittings in that area. Either you don't use it, or if you want to use it, go with IP rating, and that means waterproof fittings. Another thing is adding clear glass partition in your washroom. See, they look amazing undoubtedly, but if you don't provide nano coating, then water splashes can easily be visible and you will be cleaning it most of the time if you want to keep it clean like you had it earlier. So before you build that Pinterest bathroom, remember, it's just not about copying, it's about creating a space that works for your life. See, I'm not saying using dramatic finishes are bad, they are wonderful. Everyone has their dream features, but be mindful, every material you chose adds a maintenance factor. Like if you're using a textured finish tile, if you're using it in the wet area, it's going to be very difficult for you to maintain. If you want to use, you can use it in the dry area. That is going to be much better option. This is just one example. There can be endless options. So if you're happy to care for it, go ahead. Just don't copy something from the internet without thinking. Pause, consider durability, and then decide. See, that's all for today's video. See, I keep sharing these kind of practical videos on my channel, so consider subscribing and also give it a like if you like the video. And I want to add again, we review architectural floor plan for free on our channel. So if you have any architectural floor plan that you want us to review, you can DM us on Instagram. The link will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and you will see my next video soon. Bye.